Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens this morning. So many awesome deals, so I will walk you through them step by step. I will also show you items that I saw on clearance at the end of the video. I am also going to share with you what I think are some pretty easy deals to do using your Walgreens cash if you want to use your Walgreens cash to help lower your out-of-pocket grocery costs this week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you're returning, I really appreciate your continued support. Some people have been leaving me some super sweet comments lately, and I wanted to let you know that really means a lot. Oftentimes, I am running and going and exhausted at trying to find these deals. So when I see your comments that I've helped you save money, it really does mean a lot to me. So thank you for that. Okay, so let's jump into the deals. The first deal I want to tell you about is a free 8x10 photo. I honestly don't know how long this coupon code is good for, but the coupon code is GRATEFUL 8x10, and you'll score a free 8x10 photo. Now, I grabbed these last week using my coupons.com app. This week, I grabbed them using the digital coupon in my Walgreens account. These brisk teas are 99 cents a piece. You want to grab 5 of them. There is a digital coupon for $3 off 5 that did in fact apply to these. So I paid $1.95 for all 5 of them, or just 39 cents each. So awesome deal, and I've heard that these are good. My mom asked me to snag her some, so Mom, if you're watching, I grabbed you some tea. Another easy deal to do this week, these kids toothpaste. The Kids Crest are $1.99 each. That's $3.98 when you buy 2 of them. I had a $1.50 digital coupon, so I paid $2.48 at the register, and I got back a $2 register reward, making them just 48 cents for both, or 24 cents each. Now, if you like to place your order for curbside pickup, you can use the coupon code FAST10. That's going to take an additional 10% off, so my total became 11 cents each for these. Now, a lot of people have asked me, are you getting register rewards on your curbside pickups? Yes, I am still. The ad says you will not, but I have still been getting the register rewards on my curbside pickup, but I do go inside to the store to pick them up. I don't know if that matters or not. I honestly don't know if it'll go away, but I have in fact still been getting the register rewards. Let me know down below in the comments if you are getting the register rewards with curbside deals as well. Another oral care deal is on the Arm & Hammer Complete. I talked about this last week. The deal is still good. It is a swag bucks deal that you can do twice per month. So I grabbed 2 of these at $3.09. Paying $6.18. I got $6 back on swag bucks, making these just 9 cents each. And again, if you did this as a curbside deal and use that code FAST10, that would actually make these free and a 44-cent moneymaker. Last oral care deal I did was on the Crest Scope. These are priced at $3 each, so buying 2 of them is $6. I had a $3 digital, paid $3 out of pocket. You'll get a $3 register reward back, making them completely free. I also found these Axe body sprays. So these are 2 for $12. They are on promotion for spend 10, get a $5 register reward. Now, any of the deals that are spend 10, get a $5 register reward, you're gonna wanna do those in separate transactions because that $5 register reward is only gonna print 1 time per transaction. So I think the Garnier and the Dove are also spend 10, get 5. So definitely do those in separate transactions. So 2 for $12. There is a $2.50 digital. You'll pay $9.50. You'll get back the $5 register reward, as well as $2 back on Fetch rewards and $2 back on Ibotta, making them just 50 cents for both. If you placed it as a curbside order using FAST10, it would be free and a 45-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get a welcome bonus when you use that. Same thing with Fetch Rewards. If you use my referral code, you're going to get $2 back on Fetch as well. Another spend 10, get 5 that I realized I don't have out on the table is for the Tresemme hair care. Last week I did this deal. They were 2 for 10. When you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward, but there is a $5 digital coupon. So you pay $5, you get $5 back, making it completely free. If you already used your $5 digital like I had, there is a $5 off 2 coupon in the 1114 save insert. So that coupon works for that deal as well. Again, making it free. So the Garnier also spend 10, get a $5 register reward. So we're going to want to do that in a separate transaction. I grabbed 3 of these at $3.49. That makes them $10.47. I had a $3 digital and a $1 digital. So I paid $6.47 at the register, got a $5 register reward back, making it $1.47 for all 3, or just 49 cents each. I also had a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash booster coupon, and I'll tell you how I use that here in just a moment. So the Dove Advanced Deodorant. These are also 2 for 12. Also part of the spend 10, get $5 register reward promotion. So again, separate transaction from the Axe or the Garnier or the Tresemme. So we had a $2 digital coupon for this. So we'd pay $10 at the register, get a $5 register reward back, get $3 back on Ibotta, get $2 back on Fetch Rewards, making it completely free. And again, if I place this as a curbside order using that Fast 10 coupon code, it would make it free and $1 moneymaker. While you're at this store, look for a couple clearance items. I found these Banana Boat sunscreens for $1.29, 90% off. And I also had a coupon for $5 off any 2. Now that coupon is only going to apply if I get to at least $5. So I purchased 4 of these sunscreens for a total cost of $5.16. I used the $5 coupon with no issues, paid 16 cents out of pocket for all 4 sunscreens, and they didn't expire until like 2023. So great deal. Also, the Genexa, this is like a kid's fever reducer. These were on clearance for $4.99 at my store. There's a $2.50 digital coupon, as well as $2.50 back on Ibotta, making this product completely free. Let's see, the soft soap is another great deal this week. They are buy one, get one 50% off, as well as buy 4, get a $4 register reward. So I bought 4 of them. The regular price is $1.99. So 2 are going to ring up for $1.99. 2 are going to ring up for 99 cents. There is a 75-cent digital. So at the register, you'll pay $5.21. You'll get a $4 register reward back, making it $1.21 or just 30 cents each. And if you use that Fast 10 coupon code for a curbside order, they become just 17 cents each. So great deal there. Another easy deal is on the all detergent, sale price of $2.99. There's a $1.25 off coupon, making it just $1.74 or $1.57 with the Fast 10 coupon code for a curbside order. Same thing with the Persil, totally stocked up on laundry products this week. $4.99 for this Persil. There is a $2 digital coupon, making it just $2.99, or using the coupon code $2.69. Now, let's talk about the Charmin Bounty Tide deal. They are buy 4, get a $6 register reward. And I'm going to need y'all's help on this because my $6 register reward did not print, and I have no idea why. In the ad, it says buy 4, get a $6 register reward, and it shows products that cost $5.25 each. So I grabbed the Tide Pods at $5.25. I grabbed the Tide detergent at $5.25. I grabbed the, if you can see it here, the Bounty Essentials at $5.25. and I think this was the culprit of it not printing. This Charmin was also $5.25, but I'm thinking this is the reason that it didn't print. So that total cost is $21. Now, I had printed $2 coupons off the pggoodeveryday.com website. One was for the pods, one was for the detergent. Then there was a $1 digital for both of these products. So I paid $15 after all of those coupons. I should have got the $6 register reward back. It didn't print. Okay, my Walgreens is amazing. They gave me the $6 in points. So my total cost became $9 for all 4 of those items, or just $2.25 each, which is an awesome price. It's even better if you want to use that with your spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash, digital spend booster if you happen to have that. Now, if y'all know why that $6 register reward didn't print, let me know down in the comments below. My guess is it's the Charmin wasn't the right Charmin, even though it was priced at $5.25. So I'm still very confused on that. Just be careful when you're doing this deal, because not all stores will be nice enough to give you that $6 in Walgreens cash. They don't have to. That's just a courtesy. Let me tell you how I chose to use my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. I grabbed the soft soap deal that I told you about, the Arm & Hammer Complete Care deal that I told you about, as well as the Garnier. So my total cost for the toothpaste, the Garnier, and the soft soap before coupons was $22.61. After coupons, I was at $17.86. Now, I could use manufacturer register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost if I wanted to, not store register rewards. So I paid $17.86. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20, the $5 register reward for the Garnier, the $6 from Swagbucks for the Complete Care, and the $4 register reward for the soft soap, making all of those items completely free and a $2.14 moneymaker. All right, last deal that I will tell you about, and this goes into how to reduce your grocery budget using your Walgreens cash. So as you've seen, I have made money using coupons, getting Walgreens cash back. So I end up with Walgreens cash sitting in my account that I can use to purchase groceries. It's how I choose to do it. It might work for you, it might not, but I'm just giving you the information in case you're curious. Almost every week, I grab bread over at Walgreens. It's $3.29. I know this is more than what my grocery store would charge for bread, but I'm making money on these other items, so I feel like it's a wash in the end. This is $3.29. I use $3 in Walgreens cash, and so I pay only 29 cents out of pocket. So that's how it works for me. That's what I like to do. If you like it, and a lot of people have said they like seeing me do these matchups at the end, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you a few more deals. The Utz chips, if your store has that, they are on sale 2 for $5. You could use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay nothing out of pocket. Pure Leaf tea, same thing, 2 for $5, $5 in Walgreens cash, 0 out of pocket. The Frosted Flakes cereal bars are 2 for $4, and the Nature Valley bars are 2 for $5. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, $0 out of pocket. I saw that the Nice water bottles are only $2.99. You could use $2 in Walgreens cash, only 99 cents out of pocket. The Ocean Spray juice, 2 for $5. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, 0 out of pocket. The 2-liter Coke products were 3 for $4. You could grab 3 of those. Use $4 in Walgreens cash, 0 out of pocket. The Community Coffee, $3.99. Use $3 in Walgreens cash, just 99 cents. Arizona teas, the big teas are 2 for $4.99. You could use $4 in Walgreens cash, just 99 cents out of pocket. The Jif peanut butter as well as the Smucker's jelly are 2 for $5. You could use $5 in Walgreens cash, nothing out of pocket. The Skippy peanut butter is also 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital, making it just $4 for both of them. You could use $4 in Walgreens cash, paid nothing out of pocket. The Bumblebee tuna is 4 for $5. $5 Walgreens cash, nothing out of pocket. Campbell's soup, 2 for $4. Use $4 in Walgreens cash, 0 out of pocket. And lastly, the Swanson's broth, 2 for $1. Use $1 in Walgreens cash and nothing out of pocket. I know there are other deals out there. I probably did not mention them all. I mentioned some last week that are still good this week, some like baking mixes and that type of thing. But hopefully that gives you a pretty solid idea of how you could use your Walgreens cash to help purchase some groceries for your family this week. If y'all have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. I am happy to help. Thanks.